Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get a circle crosshair in Minecraft. The default crosshair is a simple plus sign, but many players prefer a circular design for its unique aesthetic and sometimes improved aiming perception. Customizing this small but significant visual element can truly enhance your overall gameplay experience. We'll explore straightforward methods to achieve this, ensuring you can personalize your game to your liking with ease. The most common way to change your crosshair is by using a resource pack. You'll need to find and download a resource pack specifically designed to modify the crosshair texture. Once downloaded, simply place the pack file into your Minecraft resource packs folder, which you can usually access through the in-game options. After that, activate the pack from the resource pack menu, and your new circular crosshair should appear. Another powerful approach involves using mods, which offer even greater customization. Popular mod loaders like Fabric or Forge, along with specific mods such as Optifine, can provide extensive crosshair options. First, install your chosen mod loader, then add a compatible crosshair modification mod. Within the mod's configuration settings, you can often fine-tune the crosshair shape, size, and even color, giving you precise control over its appearance. After implementing your chosen method, launch Minecraft to immediately verify that your new circular crosshair is visible in-game. Don't hesitate to experiment with various resource packs or mod settings to discover the perfect look and feel that suits your playstyle. Always ensure your selected method is fully compatible with your current Minecraft version for seamless integration. A crosshair around 8 by 8 pixels often provides excellent precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.